Hi, my name is Megan Fulop, and I'm a business management major at BYU Idaho. Today I'm going to talk with you about my internship at Pfizer. For those of you who may not know, Pfizer is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies. Why did I choose Pfizer? I have been interested in working for a pharmaceutical company for a long time just because I have a passion for business and also I have a passion for helping others, so I wanted to integrate those two into one. When I read Pfizer's mission statement, it really rang true to me. It is to innovate to bring therapies that significantly improve patients' lives. How I attained the internship. I networked for 8 months to attain this internship. So my dad, you'll see his picture in the right corner. He works for Teva Pharmaceuticals, so he has a lot of friends that I was able to have lunch over with him, and I emailed with them for several months, just asking them about any opportunities that they knew of. And then it wasn't until March when I reached out to a lady in my ward who worked for Pfizer Pharmaceuticals that she was able to give me a referral, and I was able to attach that to my application, which really made my application stand out from the rest. How BYU Idaho prepared me for this internship. So my current position is a supplier quality specialist, and first, production and operations management gave me the background that I needed in supply chain to be able to be familiar with the verbiage that I am currently using in this role and to help user sites around the world to modify their supply channels so that they are up to code with Pfizer's standards. Advanced writing and professional context. So I feel like I wouldn't have gotten this internship without having a great resume and cover letter, and I got the basis for having a good resume and cover letter in that class. Spreadsheet analysis for business. I am currently working on 8 projects, and 6 of those projects include Excel spreadsheets. So I definitely use that a lot, and I use a lot of the skills that I learned in that class for those. Pfizer to future. So I would love to continue working for Pfizer. I think that would be my top choice. I'd love to be a brand manager for them. They have products such as Chapstick and Advil. They've created those, and I would love to be able to help those brands in their marketing plans. Second, I have an entrepreneurial spirit to me. I have a few business ideas, so I'd love to start those up. And third, I'd love to be a marketing coordinator for any organization that would accept me. My advice to future interns, I would suggest that you definitely get involved with any extra activities that they might have. I'm currently volunteering with the summer recap session for interns. So basically, I am creating the branding for all of their posters, tickets, advertisements on their TVs throughout the campus. And this is an experience that I can put on my resume. So that's been a great opportunity for me. I'd suggest that you just get involved in any way that you can on campus. Second, I'd suggest that you ask questions when you need to. It's a little bit intimidating at first with your manager to ask questions, but it's just good to be able to do your projects right the first time than to have to mess up and then do it over again later. Third, my advice is to just be a light. We are disciples of Jesus Christ, and our light can really shine to those around us. So I would just suggest that you smile to those around you, be a positive influence, and people will definitely notice that. So yeah, thank you so much for listening to my presentation.